Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add any phone to your CapCut PC in seconds. If you want your text to really stand out in CapCut PC, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add any custom phone to CapCut, and it only takes a few seconds. So what you need to do is just find the phones that you want. Here I'm using thephone.com. And here you can just download the phone. Let's say I want to download this orange gummy. You can hit on download in here and then find the file on your computer like this. Click on the file and then tap on install. And once the phone is installed, you can just open or launch CapCut. So don't open CapCut yet, but download the phone first. Here now I'm going to open CapCut and then open the projects that I want to edit. Let's say this one. Okay, now this is the text. I'm going to just click on the text, and in here, let's say I'm going to change the color. Let's write like this. And then you can just find the phone that you've installed before. Click on the phone drop down, and here you can use the search bar to search for the name of the phone. And as you guys can see here, this is the phone that I downloaded before. It will automatically add it to your CapCut phone. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.